Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. And do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel if you have not done it so far, and do press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of all the episodes that I upload. So for the session of today, come.
Coke float. And how to make it? The first ingredient, Coca-Cola or Coke, must be in adequate amount. And our second ingredient, vanilla ice cream, again must be in adequate amount. And let's start. A tall glass. I prefer a beer pilsner, but you can take any glass. And add some ice cubes, about half the glass. Now add Coke or Coca-Cola, that's about 3/4 of the glass. And a dollop of vanilla ice cream, slightly softened, 50 grams. And when done, serve immediately or set aside in a fridge to chill. The second option is better. After some time, this is what the Coke float is going to look like. The flavors have infused. And now drizzle with hot or cold chocolate sauce. Chill if you can. If not, serve. Or coffee or coffee bitters and chocolate as I prefer. Chill if you have the time, or serve to all your known, including your enemies too, as I always say. Enjoy.
So friends, trust you have loved the session today. Do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. And till the time we meet again with another session, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.